Welcome to the 2024 Florida RV SuperShow. Today we're going to tour the 2024 nuCamp Cirrus Truck Camper 920. This truck camper is 6 feet 6 inches high with an interior floor length of 10 feet 6 inches and a width of 8 feet. This camper has a 45-gallon fresh tank, a 35-gallon gray tank, and a 25-gallon black tank. It has a heated basement and a blower to move hot air around the basement, and nuCamp has put heating pads on the tanks. This rig includes one 20-pound propane tank, an Audi 3030 hydraulic heating system, and one AC unit to keep you comfortable. During the revision of the Cirrus camper, nuCamp had one major focus, and that was solar. They have partnered with Dragonfly Energy for a solar system that includes battle-born lithium batteries, Victron components, and cutting-edge 12-volt appliances. The initial setup includes 930 watts of solar with 3 batteries totaling 810 amp hours and 3 solar panels, all included in your purchase. For comfortable outdoor living, Cirrus includes both a rear and a side awning. Now let's step inside and see the updated kitchen, electric oven, and microwave. There's also a full dry bath you won't believe is in a truck camper.
All right, let's go inside and check out this truck camper. As you walk in, you have your kitchen to the left here. Nice sized kitchen. You do have an induction on top, 2-burner induction, as well as an oven. Nice deep sink, telescoping faucet. You have your control center over here, some USB. You have some room up here for your dishes, and whatever else you think you can put up here. Here's a microwave. Push these and that'll lock it for travel, so it isn't swinging open. Here is your food pantry. Very nice. And then next to that you have some more storage. Closet. You can hang your clothes. And there's a drawer underneath yet. Like a cutting board. Got your lights down here. A little storage here in the door. Fire extinguisher goes there. A little more storage up here. This is a nice sized bathroom for a truck camper. I tell you what. Here we have a regular toilet. You got a little storage underneath. Sink on top with an outlet. Medicine cabinet up above, fan here, and then you have your shower. Nice size skylight, so if you're tall, your head can poke up through there if it needs to. And then we have the dinette section here. Got some storage underneath. This side too. And then there is a window right here. This does drop down into a bed. There is storage underneath the seats, as you can see here. And then we have a fridge here that I don't know how to open. There we go. Here's the freezer. Not bad. Here's what you need to keep you warm and cold throughout the seasons. And here is the bedroom. Step up into the bedroom. You got storage on either side, plenty of storage. You got a swivel TV here. Some more storage up above it on either side. Little cubby hole. Another drawer up here, then closet. Shelves where you can take them out and use it to hang clothes. On either side of the bed has these compartments for storage. size window on either side, and a bit of a skylight that does open now. And that's pretty much it.
Hi, Chuckles the Squirrel here. Thanks everyone for watching this video, and if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, hit that subscribe button. Take care everyone.